Hi, I'm Dr. Tracy Larson with Thrive. Today I'm talking about a bacteria called Akkermansia. Akkermansia is a bacteria that only makes up to 5% of the trillions of bacteria in our intestinal tract that we call the microbiome, but it has a very important effect on our general health and disease prevention. Akkermansia lives in the mucin lining of our gut, and where it helps maintain the barrier function of our gut and determines what is allowed into our body and what is not. The Akkermansia actually makes metabolites called short chain fatty acids. One of these is called butyrate. Butyrate is the number one source of food or energy for colonocytes, or the colon cells that line our gut. Butyrate also is very important, interestingly, in our signal of satiety to our brain, as well as how our insulin functions. Studies have shown that people who are diabetic or pre-diabetic, as well as those who are obese, have lower levels of Akkermansia than those who are lean and have normal glucose control. There is a company called Pendulum that has actually isolated the Akkermansia bacteria and supplies it in probiotic form. They've done a lot of randomized controlled studies of diabetics and non-diabetics both, that show consistently a drop in hemoglobin A1C, which means improved glucose control, as well as improved sugar cravings, lower blood sugar spikes, and improved gut health. So this product could be very beneficial for people in particular who have inflammatory conditions of their bowel, like Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis, as well as those who have insulin resistance, like diabetes, prediabetes, or those trying to lose weight. So in addition to taking a supplement, there are other things we can do to improve our levels of Akkermansia. One in particular is to adhere to a whole foods, plant-based diet. We know that the fiber provides food for Akkermansia. In particular, the polyphenols in the plants, actually, that give them their colors, are food for Akkermansia, like the green tea, nuts and berries are actually been shown to improve levels. We can also avoid taking unnecessary antibiotics, because they also kill off the good bacteria in our gut that we don't want to happen. And lastly, one way we can increase our level of Akkermansia is by adhering to a time-restricted eating pattern, where we only ingest our calories in an 8 to 12 hour period of the day rather than longer periods. That has been shown to improve levels of Akkermansia, as well as it improves glucose control, blood pressure, cholesterol, weight management, and inflammation as well. So again, as with a lot of our talks, we're back to the idea that our gut is very important in our general health, and that our lifestyle, in particular our diet, are ways that we can improve it. I hope you have a great week.